Okay, Mr. UnBreakIt with some cabinetry repair cabinet repair a tree. Told you it'd be simple on this one. I'm just gonna throw some glue in there, put it in the press. Then we wait. Not too much glue. I mean, get enough to get in there, but otherwise it just squeezes out on everything. I like to work it down in there a little bit. We don't want to block where our other joints match up. There we go. Lock it down tight. Give it a few hours, maybe longer. It's winter time here, a little cold, so it might be tomorrow before I finish this up. But I'll show you how. Like I said, this is the easy part, popping it back into the cabinet drawer with all the different things to line up. That'd be a different case.